If you're using the Wrike app on your iPhone and want to create a new folder to organize your projects or tasks, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. So first, unlock your iPhone and open the Wrike app. Once you've opened it, make sure you're on the main dashboard where you can see your spaces, folders, or projects. Next, navigate to the location where you want to create new folder. So this could be inside a specific space or an existing folder. So simply tap to open the space or folder where you want your new folder to be added. Once you're in the correct location, look for the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So this button is used to create new items within Wrike. Tap on the plus icon and a menu will appear showing different options such as task, folder, or project. Now from the list of options, tap on folder. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new folder. So tap on the name field and type in a clear and relevant name so it's easy to identify later. After entering the folder name, you may also see additional options such as adding a description or choosing where the folder should be placed. So review these settings and adjust them if needed. Now once everything looks good, tap the create button. Now after tapping create, your new folder will be added to the location you selected. So you should now see it listed along with your other folders and projects. So if you don't see the folder right away, try refreshing the app or double check that you created it in the correct space or directory. And that's it. That's how you can add a new folder in Wrike using your iPhone. Thanks for watching.